Hey, what's up, everyone? Jason Hopkins here, and just wanted to do a video and explain to everyone about this big hole in the make money online marketplace. So, I've been in the industry since 2011, and one of the biggest issues in the marketplace was, seeing other people that join these opportunities. They're not being educated, on how to market a business. And I know some of you that are, new to marketing, you know exactly where I'm going with this. So, um, most of these companies that I joined, I was able to get the help, but there was one that, that I did join where, the sponsor just, he was, the person was nowhere to be, found. The person disappeared. But funny how when I left the company, I canceled the service. All of a sudden, you know, they messaged me wondering why I quit, and that's another issue, that this industry, has been faced with, where people, you know, that are affiliates, when you leave an opportunity, they take it personal, you know, and to me, I think that's, it's unprofessional and it shows a lack of leadership, but, that's another topic for another time. What I want to talk to you about, there's new, marketers out there, that are struggling. They're not being educated in ways that, brand them as, a mentor and a leader. And most of them that I interviewed, most of them, they're not, studying things like, personal development, um, laws of attraction and leadership, you know, and all the sponsors, they only tell them, to post their offers on social networking. You know, to me, this is not an effective nor is it a professional way to build a business. There's a lot of lucrative companies, they're getting bad names because of these affiliates that use these tactics where they hard sell to people. And I want to say to those that are struggling and being taught these tactics, it's not your fault. It's okay. It's not your fault. It's not the person who brought you in. It's not their fault either. Because, we all been through, the struggles of team building you know, and we fail by trial and error. My team and myself, we work day and night to help those, you know, that struggle with their business, helping them out by providing them with, the tools and the resources that, can finally, get them to that place, that they enjoy being on the beach with their family and their friends on their terms. That's what, that's what we've been doing, you know, helping those that are struggling in their online business. You know, this has become, to me, the biggest issue since, these companies first started out. And I'm here doing this video to let this shit needs to end. It needs to stop soon. And like I said, I've been through the same struggles, that you might be going through right now. And, it really pisses me off, to hear people, say that, the person that sponsored them, all they, showed them how to do was, all they, told them to do was, oh, just post your ads in this group and, hopefully, somebody will buy from you. You know, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but, you know, that sponsor didn't make his or her money, posting ads on Facebook. You know, they probably did what most people that are having success are doing, and that's, paying for traffic. You know. So if you're someone that's, not getting the education and the right coaching and, you want to crush it in your business, you want to have results, you want to have a breakthrough, then what you need to do is, share this information, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Jason Hopkins, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.